Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Now guys, imagine a plane has landed in Jamaica with over 200 Indian migrants. They passed Egypt and they passed Dubai and they decided to land in Jamaica. Nobody knew about it according to what the Gleaner is saying. How is that possible? How is it possible for 200 migrants from India reach in Jamaica without nobody knowing? Like, who is responsible for this? We need some answers. How can they disembark a plane load of people without having no authority to be in? It's like I'm flabbergasted. I don't understand how that could happen. Why? When it comes to Jamaica, it's like anything goes. When on a plane a come on a where was that plane? A Port Royal side or somewhere over that side. I think that plane where came and it disappeared. Them couldn't find the pilot. Them couldn't find nobody. It's like people are taking Jamaica for like a free for all. It's like every country is just taking Jamaica for a free for all, and it's like our heads of state or our the head of the country, how are they allowing certain things to be going on? I just cannot understand. I just had to come and give you guys this breaking news. Check out the Gleaner. The article is in the Daily Gleaner where you can go and read what they're saying. I have included some of the comments from what people are saying, so you guys can slow the video down or pause the video so that you'll be able to read some of the comments that were left by some of the people that read the article about the migrants, this mysterious chartered flight that entered our country. Like, we need answers. We need justice. We need answers. Like, I don't understand what's going on. Guys, feel free to leave your comment. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. This was just a quick update on an article that I saw in the the Jamaica Gleaner, and I decided to come and share it with you guys. Slow the video down and you can read the comment. Guys, thanks for listening. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for all my subscribers. Thanks for our community. Thank you so much, guys. And I will see you in the next video. So just slow the clip down and read what's been said. See ya.